On the day of your scheduled installation, your GPC technician will contact you by phone or text approximately 30 minutes prior to arrival. They will arrive in a clearly marked GPC vehicle and will be wearing a GPC ID badge when they come to your door. Once on site, your technician will begin the fiber-driven internet installation process, which includes work outside and inside your home, followed by service activation and testing. Outside installation is completed based on your location and network design, either through buried or temporary above-ground cabling ran from the nearest distribution point, with any temporary cabling buried within 14 days, or, in other cases, by mounting an exterior device that connects your home to our fiber-powered network. If a temporary above-ground conduit is used, you may see flags placed in your yard prior to crews arriving to bury the line. Please leave these flags in place as they help ensure safe and efficient completion of the work. Our crews work quickly and take care to clean up and restore your yard to the condition it was in prior to their arrival. Once initial outside work is completed, your technician will complete the interior portion of the installation by connecting the appropriate equipment inside your home to deliver internet service to your devices. Ethernet cables will be used to connect your equipment to the GPC Internet router, which is included with your service and enables whole home Wi-Fi to maximize wireless coverage throughout your home. Once installation is complete, your GPC technician will perform final testing and provide applicable setup instructions and login credentials. At this point, your fiber-driven internet service is ready for you to stream, game, work, and learn from home with fast, reliable, fiber-driven connectivity. We appreciate the opportunity to serve you and welcome you as a valued GPC customer.